In front of me is Nokia XR20, and let me show you all unlock methods that you can use on this device. So let's open the settings at first and go to security. So the first option is screen lock, and it can be a swipe in, pattern, pin code, or the password. So currently we do have pattern. Let me show it to you how it works. So this is the pattern. We can add a pin code. And now you'll be able to unlock your device with this pin code only. Then you can also choose a password. So let me pick password. And as you can see, the device can be accessed with this password only, so there is no other option. And then also you can pick none or a swipe, so it's not protected at all. You will be able to unlock your device smoothly by swiping like this. And then you can also choose fingerprint face unlock if you'd like to have some even better protection. So this is it. These are all unlock methods in your Nokia XR20. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.